Valentine's Day, thank you for this bunch of beautiful flowers. Thank you so much. Hindi ka nakakalimot na magbigay ng flowers sa akin every Valentine's Day with cute notes. I wish for our heart to be filled with warmth, cherish memories and promises, a future packed with love for 29 years and more. Yan. Happy Valentine's again, my love. Here's a day of celebrating the lovely journey we had together. We shared together unwavering devotion na laging nagpapabind sa ating dalawa, sa mga support, sa unconditional love, at sa pangarap ko na lagi mong sinusuportahan. Thank you so much. Payo! Sa pang-araw-araw na kasama ko sa buhay ko. Thank you so much. Ayan. For 29 years and existence, na lagi mong naaalala, lagi mo kung nasa prayers mo at lagi mong iniingatan. Thank you so much. Matagal na, pero nakakakilig pa rin ang mga messages as mga small notes na iniiwan mo at ibinibigay mo sa akin. Thank you. And thank you, Beth, for these beautiful flowers. For about 29 years and counting. Di pa rin nakakalimot magbigay ng flowers during Valentine's and my birthday. Thank you so much. Love you.